How does home finance work in an Islamic bank? Shehan is a businessman who wants to make his dream home a reality. Shehan doesn't have enough funds to purchase the home outright. He decides to approach a bank to get a home loan, but then remembers that God has permitted trade and forbidden interest. Having heard of non-interest-based home financing, Shehan approaches an Islamic bank to find out if there is any possibility to purchase a home through installments. The Islamic banker explains that the concept of home financing is based on partnership, where the bank and the customer will jointly purchase the selected house, to which the customer contributes a certain value as his share, and the bank will contribute the balance amount. Now, the house is owned by both Shehan and the bank. However, since Shehan wants to enjoy the complete usage of the house, the bank agrees to rent its share of the house to Shehan for an agreed rent. Since Shehan also wants to eventually secure the full ownership of the house as well, the bank also agrees to gradually sell portions of its ownership to Shehan until Shehan becomes the full owner of the house. He will continue to pay rent for the portion owned by the bank, of which he is enjoying occupation. This method of home financing is called Diminishing Musharakah in Islamic banking terms. Shehan's monthly installments will comprise of two components: the rent, since he is occupying the house, and the amount paid to purchase portions of the house from the bank. Each month, when he pays the installment, the bank's ownership reduces, and therefore the rent payable reduces. With the purchase of the last portion, Shehan becomes the ultimate owner of his dream house. So how does this type of a financing solution differ from interest-based home financing? Looking at the relationship between the bank and the customer. In Islamic banking, the customer partners with the bank to purchase the house, then in return buys out the bank's share. Whereas in a conventional financing system, the bank lends money and creates a creditor-debtor relationship. Further, in the case of an early settlement, in Islamic home financing, the customer has to pay only the up-to-date rent for using the house and purchase the remaining ownership of the bank as a bulk. With better understanding and now being convinced on the benefits of Islamic home financing, Shehan informs his family and friends who are also looking to purchase homes to get their financing from an Islamic bank. So now that you know how home financing works in an Islamic bank, you too can help your friends make the right decision when looking to purchase their dream home. Amana Bank. It's your bank.